All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of premium hair extensions to figure something out. What in the world is raw hair, and why do people call it a 5-year investment? Let's break it all down. But first, I have a question for you, and it might be a little provocative. Have you ever bought so-called virgin hair and just wondered, is this the real deal? Because there's a ton of confusion and honestly a lot of fakes out there. You've probably heard all the terms, virgin, Remy, and felt your head spin, right? By the way, Remy just means all the cuticles are going in the same direction, which stops it from tangling. But still, it's a mess out there with quality all over the place. Don't worry though, we're about to clear all that up. So what's the answer to all this chaos? Well, it all comes down to one powerful term: raw hair. This right here is the absolute gold standard of the hair world, and it's the key to getting the quality you're actually paying for. So what is it exactly? It's actually really simple. Raw virgin hair is just 100% unprocessed human hair, and it comes from a single person. But here's the most important part: it has never been steamed to create a curl pattern or hit with chemicals. It's hair in its purest, most natural state, period. So let's really dig into what makes it so special. Unprocessed means zero chemicals, ever. Getting it from a single donor is what ensures all those hair cuticles are perfectly aligned, which makes it tangle-free without even trying. And no steam treatments. That means the hair's natural strength and texture are completely intact. And this brings us to the main event, the big showdown. We see the term virgin hair plastered everywhere, but I'm telling you, it is not the same as raw hair. Let's get into the real differences. Okay, right off the bat, the most critical difference is the lifespan. With good care, raw hair can last an incredible 3 to 5 years. Your standard virgin hair, you're looking at maybe 2 to 3 years max. That's because most virgin hair you find has been steam processed over and over to get those perfect curls, and all that steam slowly breaks the hair down. Now, of course, that kind of quality is going to cost you more. You can expect to pay about 30 to 50% more for raw hair up front, but just think about it. If it lasts almost twice as long, you're actually saving money in the long run. It's a true investment, not just another purchase. Now, for anyone who loves to customize their color, this is an absolute game changer. Since it's never been processed, raw hair is hands down the best for bleaching. You can safely lift it all the way up to a platinum blonde, what the pros call a 613, and it'll still be strong. You try that with hair that's already been steamed and processed, you're just asking for damage. And you can literally feel the difference. Raw hair has this beautiful, realistic, slightly coarser texture that feels exactly like healthy, natural hair. You know that super silky, almost slippery feeling you get from a lot of virgin hair bundles? That's usually just a silicone coating that's going to wash right off, revealing who knows what kind of quality underneath. Okay, so maybe you're sold on raw hair, but how do you go out and find the real deal without getting tricked? Let's get into some practical tips you can use to make sure you're buying the good stuff. Think of this as your quick authenticity checklist. Real raw hair is going to come from one donor, have that realistic, non-silky feel, be able to bleach to blonde, and last for years. Another huge clue is how it reacts to heat, which brings us to a super simple test you can do yourself. This right here is the test that never lies. Now be super careful when you do this. Just take a few strands and carefully apply a flame. Real human hair will burn and turn into a fine ash, and it'll smell kind of like burnt feathers. If it's a synthetic blend, it'll melt into a hard little plastic ball. It's a dead giveaway. So you've found it. You've made the investment. Now what? How do you protect it? Because proper care is the secret sauce that unlocks that 5-year lifespan we keep talking about. And don't worry, it's not complicated. Stick to sulfate-free shampoos and really hydrating conditioners. Do a co-wash, that's just washing with conditioner, once a week to keep it moisturized. Try to lay off the high heat styling tools and always protect it at night with a silk bonnet or pillowcase. Simple as that. Okay, I have to share this next one because it's probably my favorite tip, and it's really more of a mindset shift. If your raw hair gets a little frizzy when it's humid outside, do not panic. That is actually a good sign. It's proof that it's authentic. It's reacting to the moisture in the air just like your own hair would, because it's not smothered in silicones. So we've covered what it is, how to spot it, and how to take care of it. That brings us to the final verdict. Is raw hair the right choice for you? When you boil it all down, raw hair is for someone who really values longevity, wants the versatility to color and style it freely, and craves that completely natural, authentic look. It's a premium investment, no doubt, but one that pays you back in quality for years. So really, the choice is yours. It all comes down to what you want. If you're a long-term investor, you want authenticity, and you want to be able to customize your hair, then raw hair is your perfect match. But if you'd rather have a ready-to-wear curl pattern at a lower price up front, then standard virgin hair might be a better fit. And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to spot the difference and make a choice that's right for you. So the only question left is the one you have to answer for yourself. Is a 5-year hair investment worth it? Thanks for tuning in to this explainer.